He'll say. Okay, so Bev sent 3 books, and they're reusable. If you have ever seen these, they are awesome. School Zone, Alphabet Fun, Write and Reuse. So she also sent these markers, and this is just like impromptu because he wanted to play. Right now, I am relaxing right now, so we're not doing the school thing.
We are.
Yeah, but we're on the couch, not in the mamad.
On the couch.
He's going to play with this. He's got mazes.
Yeah.
And I've got letters to trace and all kinds of activities. Letter match, beginning sounds, how many. Yeah, what's the beginning sound of a leaf? What is the letter, what does it start with? Leaf.
L.
L, right.
L's L.
These are jeans. What does that start with?
J.
Good job. Okay, and these, what's this?
I don't know.
It's a kangaroo. So what does it start with?
K.
That's right. What's this?
I don't know.
It's a needle. What does it start with?
N.
Good job. This is, what the heck is this? This is an olive. What does an olive start with?
Olive. Oh, up there.
Oh, that's right. What does the monkey start with?
M.
Very good.
So she only does it when she's stressed.
Take it away.
I wonder who she learned it from.
I wonder what kitty it is.
It's a good thing when you say that to a child.
Abigail, take it away.
Took it away.
Wipe her mouth. She's puking. Kitty.
Kitty in transit.
Good, Mommy. Okay.
Everyone's trying to get attention.
This is how I feel every day of my life.
Okay, so her not amused is that sound.
Yeah, but her not amused. Her annoyed. It's actually what I say. Daddy's gonna open the toys with Rafael today.
Maybe.
Yeah, he's feeling sick, so.
As soon as you film her, he starts talking and making noises and trying to get flags for her to look at him.
Right.
And the cat gets on the table.
Cat gets on the table and then makes noise over here
And
playing with her
she
string.
looks at you. She gets on the table, looks at you.
Yeah.
Come get me.
I'm allowed to be up here, right? Right. We're fixing to watch Doctor Strange. She keeps drooling with the spit.
It's her downtime.
She's spitting it.
Because she's
But when you wipe her mouth, her cheeks are so big that you miss it every time.
I don't know.
Because her cheeks are so big, they fold over her mouth.
Where's the cheeks, man?
Struggles wheel. But Abigail with those big cheeks like her mummy.
You got cheeks.
Cheeks for days. What? She's kind of laughing.
She tried to laugh. She tried. Doesn't know how to laugh yet.
No, I'll be glad when she laughs.
She did. That was a laugh.
She thinks a smile, you smile all the time, you would think that she would laugh, but she doesn't.
Yeah, I know I'm pretty. Alright, she's...
Yeah, it's distressing to her. Rafael just like belly laughed at 4.5 months. She is 6.5 months. Doesn't really laugh.
Every time someone tells everyone else to shut up, it's always gonna be the person to talk.
Right,
And because he talks, someone else talks. And because he talks, someone else talks.
right.
So forever and ever, it's a loop where people will keep talking. 100 people, squadron, you have a meeting. You're supposed to sit everyone down and be quiet.
Oh, that's annoying.
But obviously,
I have no
I'm
patience
saying
for
because of
that.
this. Tell him to shut up, and this one's gonna do something.
Yeah.
Tell that one to shut up, this one is doing something.
Yeah, I have no patience for that.
Can I have boogers?
Yummy.
She dislikes her nose to be touched now.
Why do we eat nose boogers, but we don't eat eye boogers? I've never once tried an eye booger. Not once. I did try my earwax. That's disgusting.
Yuck.
I just wanted to say.
Are you Harry Potter?
Does he eat earwax?
They have the candy that's all sorts of weird stuff.
Oh, really?
Vomit.
We'll have to go to like Universal or wherever it's at.
Yeah, I was there last time.
Harry Potter
Harry
World?
Potter experience is something of its own.
You went there?
On Universal.
You did?
Put the people there because I wasn't going to do it.
You didn't go?
No, I already went there.
When did you go there?
Well, technically speaking, I was there with Tool. But we didn't do anything.
Well, so was I, but I don't remember
we
it.
just sat down by the big thing and he's like, I can't walk anymore.
Oh, you went with him because when we went
That
together,
was Halloween Horror Nights.
Halloween Horror Nights, it probably wasn't up then.
No.
Because I think it's new, yeah?
What? No, we went to Halloween Horror Nights before I went with him.
Yeah, but Harry Potter World's new, I think.
It's already been up and going. Our JPO person, their Joint Program Office, American.
Yeah. Well, I want to go.
Sure.
I want to go to all the amusement parks when we go to Florida again.
Need to go to
Universal, Busch Gardens,
No.
Epcot.
Epcot, yeah.
That's
If I
like a
would
learning
it.
center place.
Well, not only.
Yeah.
You have those 5 different cultures, let's call them that.
Oh, yeah.
Where you have China, and you have Swedish,
Oh,
and you have
okay.
Rome.
India, probably.
Uh,
Boo! Everybody does country accent.
No, I mean, is it bad to...
Does it offend
imitate
you?
someone's accent?
Yeah. Does it offend you when
What are
people
you doing, Kitty?
imitate your accent?
Kitty, what are you doing?
We just got done watching Big Bang Theory.
Rajesh. Yeah.
The episode where he's spoiled. She wants to be a big girl. We're gonna go get her her hips
Really?
checked. I have an appointment in a
Big
couple
girl, she
days.
just fall over. She's tired. Deeply offended. If we're looking for a proper solution for this cat, she keeps wanting to go out and immediately back in. The problem is, it's cold outside. And I say problem because, yeah, it's cold outside, so we're not going to leave it open. But she tears this up. The seal. Tears up the seal.
I'm
What do we
looking
do?
for the word Pleiades in a song lyric. In a rap song, I think.
It's the worst thing about humans. You relive your memory, but you don't remember.
Right.
So it could
It's
have even...
morning, so Excuse the look.
I thought excuse the memory, but okay.
Excuse your memory.
Coming from a space to teach you what the beauty.
Hey everyone, what are we doing?
Today we're working on intricacy and mastering the abilities of the child. So with that being said, he's building up all these nice constructions.
My constructions are good for me. If the construction fall over, it's Lego constructions, and I built
Yeah.
the one over there and
Yeah.
the one over here.
Yep. But we don't make a lot of noise because Abigail's asleep, do we?
Yeah.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share Fully Living.
I'm not allowed to call the morning of, so 5 minutes later, puke.
First word, dada. Oh, physical activity.
I know, trust me, I know.
Fireman!
Not feeling good about yourself and you don't walk.